Welcome to Luxury Car TV, your ultimate destination for classic and high-performance car reviews, rare finds, and auto legends. The 1965 Ford Mustang Shelby GT350R is an icon of American muscle and motorsport heritage. Developed in collaboration between Ford and the legendary Carroll Shelby, the GT350R was a race-prepared version of the already powerful GT350, designed specifically for the track. With only 34 units originally produced, this model is among the rarest and most celebrated Mustangs ever built. Under the hood, the GT350R packs a high-revving 289 cubic inch V8 engine that was modified extensively from the base Mustang's motor. Shelby's team tuned it to deliver around 360 horsepower, although exact figures often varied depending on specific race tuning. The engine features a high-rise aluminum intake manifold, a Holley 4-barrel carburetor, and solid lifters, all contributing to its thrilling performance. The engine was mated to a lightweight Borg Warner T10 4-speed manual transmission, which provided quick and aggressive gear changes suitable for the racetrack. The GT350R was stripped down to reduce weight and enhance performance. Much of the interior was removed, including the rear seats and most of the trim, while lightweight fiberglass panels replaced some of the standard steel body parts. A competition-spec roll bar, racing seat, and harness were installed for safety and compliance with racing standards. Even the windows were replaced with plexiglass to shave off crucial pounds, reflecting a no-compromise approach to racing. Suspension upgrades were key to the GT350R's success on the track. The car received stiffer springs, revised control arms, and a larger front anti-roll bar for improved handling. The rear suspension was also reworked with heavy-duty traction bars and a Detroit Locker limited slip differential. These changes, combined with Kone-adjustable shocks, gave the GT350R sharp cornering ability and a planted feel that set it apart from other Mustangs of the era. Braking performance was enhanced through front disc brakes borrowed from the Galaxy Police package and upgraded rear drums. These brakes offered impressive stopping power, essential for a race car that often competed in long-endurance events. The GT350R rode on 15-inch American Racing Torque thrust wheels wrapped in Goodyear racing tires, providing both grip and classic style. Externally, the GT350R stood out with its aggressive stance, wide racing stripes, and race number decals. The distinctive lack of a front bumper, the addition of a deep front valance, and a functional hood scoop not only added to its looks but also aided cooling and aerodynamics. Every detail on the exterior served a functional purpose, aligned with Shelby's vision of track performance over street comfort. The GT350R made a lasting impression in SCCA competition during its debut season, with drivers like Ken Miles behind the wheel. The car's dominance in B production racing helped solidify the Shelby Mustang legacy and proved that a modified American pony car could compete at a professional level. The lightweight chassis, high-powered V8, and finely tuned suspension allowed the GT350R to outperform many European competitors. Inside, the stripped-down interior emphasizes function over form. A large tachometer dominates the dashboard, flanked by auxiliary gauges for oil pressure and temperature. The original wooden steering wheel, though simple, provides an authentic feel of 1960s racing heritage. This car was built to win, not to pamper its driver, and every element reflects that purpose. The legacy of the 1965 GT350R goes beyond the racetrack. It represents a critical turning point in American automotive culture, blending factory engineering with race shop modifications in a way that created a blueprint for future muscle and performance cars. The GT350R's impact continues today through modern Shelby models, which still pay tribute to the raw power and bold styling of this 1965 original. This masterpiece is not just a car, it is a symbol of American determination, engineering excellence, and the pursuit of speed. The limited production run and racing pedigree make each surviving example highly valuable, often fetching millions at auctions. Collectors and enthusiasts around the world revere the GT350R not only for its performance but for its role in shaping the identity of the Mustang brand. Thank you for watching this in-depth look at the legendary 1965 Ford Mustang Shelby GT350R. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more classic muscle car features and automotive legends, make sure to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned to Luxury Car TV.